Alrighty, hey Melissa, this is Brandon again. I called you, I believe it was earlier today or yesterday, and I mentioned that I'd be sending this video over to you guys. So in this video, I'm just going to give you 3 tips on how to start beating your online competition so that you guys are found more on Google. And you can take this information and run with it and use this and get it done on your own if you feel you have those resources and the time to do that. Or if you have questions or help or need help, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to see what I can do to help you guys. And, ultimately, you're probably wondering why I'm even sending this to you in the first place. And I'm just trying to add value to some small business owners here in the Denver market. I was born and raised out here, and I've been doing a lot of work with this type of stuff recently. And I'm just trying to add value. And if this is something that serves as helpful to you, and if you think you might need help with it, I would love to be of assistance. And if not, no harm, no foul. I'm just trying to get you some value here. Okay. So that's why I'm making this for you guys, and I'll make it quick. You guys are off to a phenomenal start as is. So here's your site. It looks phenomenal. I want to talk to you about content. So the number one thing is content and backlinks. So with content, you want to make sure you have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. I copied and pasted your homepage. You guys have 700 words. So that would be a good starting point, is to get at least 1,500 on your homepage. But what's more important is getting what we call buyer intent keywords listed throughout your entire website, on every tab, on every page. Get as many buyer intent keywords as possible. So this is where people mess up sometimes. They just use keywords, but they don't use buyer intent keywords. So let me show you what I mean by this. So here is your website, and here's the analytics behind it. And you guys are, you're doing great. Seriously. These numbers are fantastic. You have 6,000 keywords, 3,335 backlinks roughly. These are really, really good numbers. So you guys are on the right track. But you're getting a ton of traffic, but are these people trying to buy from you is the question. Like, are they being directed to your site because they're trying to buy from you or because they're trying to learn? And a lot of people might try to do this stuff on their own, right? So the way we can find that out is to go look at your keywords. So you have 6,000 keywords. You ranked in very high positions for a lot of these keywords that get a lot of volume. This one's easy because that's the name of your company. Ejector pump versus sump pump. Somebody's not going to buy from you if they're searching that. Sump pump versus ejector pump. These ones are better. Emergency plumbing, Denver emergency plumber, Denver emergency plumbing. These are great ones. AAA plumbers, rotten egg smell on water. These are not so good. So you want to really reevaluate what keywords you have and make sure that you have the best buyer intent keywords possible instead of stuff like this, and get those listed in your site. So if we look at your top competitor over here on Google, they've got 1,600 keywords, so much less, but they might be better keywords that people are using to actually purchase. So let's see what these guys have. Let's see, HVAC repair, Denver service experts, Denver HVAC repair, Denver HVAC service, HVAC Denver, Colorado, furnace repair, HVAC services. So theirs may have more buyer intent, but it also could be another thing too. It's hard to tell without really diving into this, but that would be a place to start, is to just check on your keywords, make sure that they're all highly ranked buyer intent keywords. The next thing we want to look at are backlinks. Okay, so you guys have 3,000 backlinks, which is great, but are they trustworthy and relevant backlinks? So this top guy who's showing up on the front page while you guys aren't, they have less keywords and less backlinks, but that means they're probably better backlinks and better keywords. So you may want to think about rewriting your content on your site and getting better backlinks and keywords in there. And I can help you guys with that if you need that. The last thing is how to get into this map pack. So you need to figure out how many citations Golden West Plumbing has and get more citations than that. So a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory. So if they have 200 citations or 300 citations, you need to beat them out by at least 100. So get 350 or 400 citations, and that should help you guys get up into this map pack. There's some other ways to optimize your Google My Business account or profile. I could talk about this stuff for hours, but anyways, this is what I noticed about your site. You have a great website and you have all this stuff that you need in here. I'm curious as to why you're not getting on the front page of Google, and some of these other companies are. So it leads me to believe that your backlinks and your keywords aren't as high of a quality. Okay, so I hope you found that information helpful, and please feel free to reach out if you need to, Melissa. And I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.